Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. Today we're here to talk about our launching wheel system. We do offer two varieties of launching wheels. Our first is a single wheel setup that is good for about 350 pounds of weight, which equates to about a 14-foot boat and a 20 horsepower motor. Now that is considering that your ground is somewhat even and there isn't going to be too many obstacles in your path. Our double wheel system works really well for anything 420 and larger, and if you are going to be using larger than a 20 horsepower outboard or you're considering the jet outboard option. Our launching wheel system is the best insurance that you can provide for your inflatable boat. It keeps the entire hull of the boat off of the ground and protected while you're launching and retrieving your boat. Our single wheels work best for people who intend to leave the wheels on their transom and flip them up and out of the way of the outboard while you're out on the water. And they're a very simple, easy system to use. They're a spring-loaded system, and you simply push on the spring to disengage the mounting bracket, which is permanently affixed to the hull. And to re-engage, it's as simple as lifting that spring a 1/4 inch. The double wheel system includes 4 wheels total with a maximum payload capacity of 800 pounds. Now this is good for the application of a 14-foot or larger boat. Also, if you're considering anything bigger than a 20 horsepower outboard. Our launching wheel system has many uses. It allows you to launch and retrieve the boat by yourself. It allows you to get the boat out of a danger zone in a tidal area. And it also allows you to bring the boat back to your campsite quite easily for security in the evening. For information on how to install the complete wheel setup, please see our instructional videos at strykerboats.com.